149 performance graduation, but the feel is average. 199 performance endgame, medium to high black and white. Which one do you prefer? One ma does drop. Ageo peripherals subjective experience. I got the ND63 to try it out soon after AI Shitu. With such beauty and performance, Ian's old tradition is top-notch. But the standard Tianqing hand is the standard. For me personally, it's a bit passable, but overall it's still satisfactory. It didn't meet my expectations. Of course, this is also related to keyboard filling. For this one-character design, and it supports 0.02 RT side-engraved Roll King magnetic lever. So, how does it perform in practice? Aha, let's get it done. You know the exterior comes in black and white colors this time. The first impression upon arrival is that it doesn't feel very plastic. The overall quality and appearance are a complete disruptive blow for this price point. The keyboard uses a shell-through structure throughout. It's not very friendly for those who want to change their shell. The 199 yuan version uses a solid color case and translucent keycaps, paired with Aishitu's ancestral lower light position and Tianjin switch. This lighting effect is the one I've tried with magnetic switches so far. The top-tier keyboard one. Both of my models are standard. The Sky Blue Axis. I also got started before and passed the Sky Blue Axis, but on the M068 Pro the feel is truly top-notch. So I have high expectations for the ND63 to come standard with the Sky switches this time. But after getting started, I found it wasn't as comfortable as the M068 Pro. After all, the 199 yuan price range has an internal filling and a 499 yuan internal fill. Definitely different. This is understandable. I switched to Celadon switches for both the ND63 Pro and M168 Pro, and the words with the best feel and sound currently on the market. For the Pro, let's take a look at these two keyboards, and how the Sky Blue Word Pro performs in comparison, right? Let's see how stable the axis of the Tianqing word domain is. I think the Tianjin switch needs no comparison from the Pro on these two keyboards. What do you think? If you want to compare Tianjin switches with other switches, you can check out the previous Tianjin axis video. I've already summarized several common magnetic switches on the market. Next, let's look at driver usage and 0.02. When testing NP63 using a stability chart method for RT, it supports web driving technology. AI Yan's drive, I use at least top 3 level functional partitions. The resolution function also includes a SoCD-like feature. There are also adjustment parameters that DKS MPTGL have included. It's also a simple, foolproof operation. Just pull the value you want to set up, then down. It also supports RT adjustment from 0.02 to 4 mm and 0 dead zone. We moved all WASD to below 0.02 and 0 dead zones. Let's conduct a test directly. Let's come in and do a few simple moves. Next, let's simulate normal use. Just press W to start walking. Press this key with W. What I was really looking at wasn't the normal use of its touch brake. Basically, there are no issues. 0.02 is not as easy to break off as 0.05 as 0.01. Alright, let's do some more brute testing. For example, I hold down W and shake it wildly. You can also see my hand in the upper left corner, shaking wildly. W also uses a slight cut and pressing a, for example, violent love at the same time. Okay, and it also won't have any broken contact. The entire ND63 lineup features 8K rotation rates and 4K key scanning. The official claim of input latency is less than 0.3 milliseconds. Key delay is less than 0.6 milliseconds. This time, Aishida's material stack is really piled up 2 or 3 months ago. This stack of materials definitely won't come down to 500 each. This time, the major manufacturers have also pushed prices down to the 100 yuan level. For a certain brand like Wuguang 149, in terms of lighting, looks and performance, the ND63 completely dominates. For the 199 NTD ND63 Pro, I personally feel it can also go head-to-head with the sub-500 magnetic lever engine. And it won't rain or be windy. He loved stones. This time, he really pulled out a special move. Let's see how other domestic brands respond to this move next. Rolling up is certainly a good thing for us consumers. The premise is that your product is built like the ND63 Pro. You can clear the ND63 and ND63 Pro on the 29th at 4 p.m. Release. If you don't have a magnetic switch on hand or want to buy a cheap magnetic switch for home use, then this keyboard is definitely the best choice. You could say it's the king of low price, high specs, and Seijo. I'll also post the link in the comments so you can add it first. Wait until 4 p.m. on the 29th. What if you can't get one? Of course, that's okay. Drop the 3-hit item in the comment section. As for whether you want black or white, that depends on you. If you're satisfied with this video, if you can long press to like, triple like and follow, that would be even better. Then see you next time.